Downward facing dog or Adho Mukha Svanasana is a foundational yoga asana that requires flexibility and upper body strength. In this asana, the body forms an inverted V with the feet and hands pressing into the ground and the hips pushing upward. Begin on your hands and knees. Align your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. The fold of your wrists should be parallel with the top edge of your mat. Point your middle fingers directly to the top edge of your mat. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly through your palms and knuckles. Distribute your weight evenly across your hands. Inhale, step back, tucking the toes. Straighten the knees one at a time, coming into your plank pose. This is the distance of your downward facing dog. Exhale, reach your pelvis up toward the ceiling. Then draw your sit bones behind of you. Gently begin to straighten your knees, but do not lock your knees. Bring your body into a shape of an A. Imagine your hips and thighs being pulled backwards from the top of your thighs. Do not walk your feet closer to your hands. Keep the extension of your whole body. Press the floor away from you as you lift through your pelvis. As you lengthen your spine, lift your sit bones up toward the ceiling. Now, press down equally through your heels and the palms of your hands. Firm the outer muscles of your arms and press your index fingers into the floor. Lift from the inner muscles of your arms to the top of your both shoulders. Draw your shoulder blades into your upper back ribs and toward your tailbone. Broaden across your collarbones. Engage your quadriceps. Rotate your thighs inward as you continue to lift your sit bones high. Sink your heels toward the floor. Align your ears with your upper arms. Relax your head, but do not let it dangle. Gaze between your legs or toward your navel. Beginners or tight hamstring or tight calves, keep the knees bent and the heels raised to keep the spine straight. Do not round your back attempting to straighten the knees. Instead, keep the knees bent and the heels raised. The spine should be straight in a down-facing dog. To release, exhale as you gently bend your knees and come back to your hands and knees.